Hey everybody, today we're opening our first Barkbox. This is my dog Vader, and this is the first Barkbox that we've ever ordered. Thought it was a good deal. It's $21 for, if you sign up for a year, it's $21 a month, American, and you get like different kinds of toys for your dog. This is the large package because I think it's over 50 pounds, you get the large package. And also, if you sign up now for a year, they give you a free $9 toy in every box. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And, you know, as you can see, Vader's really excited. Well, he was 10 seconds ago. But, so we'll see what this is. And I haven't seen what's in the April box, but we'll find out. So... now you gotta sit, buddy. Sit. Good boy. No, you stay sitting. Okay, we're gonna do this. Settle down. Oh. Hey. Get your face out of there. Okay, stop. Okay, first thing is... what is this? Some kind of bird. If you can see that. Stop it. I know you love it. Chester's penguin. That's what it's called. City. Yeah, I know you want it. Whoa. So just settle the heck down. Not for human children. Sit and stay sitting. Chester's penguin, City Sniffer's Guide to New York City. Okay. Just a straightforward, oh, nice. That you get last, because otherwise I'll be hearing that all through the video. Okay, sit. You sit. Okay, go do that. Oh, cool. Okay, I was wondering what kind of treats they would have. So this is, sit. Natural crunchy tube. Doesn't say too much about the ingredients. Whoa, but it is natural. See if you can see that there. Butcher's block bones. 100% natural crunchy tube. It's hollow inside. Oh yeah, this definitely looks like something he'd love. You just wait. Okay, that and that. So I guess New York City is Vader. Sit. I guess New York City is like the theme of this month. Man, he really wants those treats. If you don't stop. Here, in a minute, there's treats. Here, I'll get these treats. I'll get the treats. Okay. So, New York City Central Pork Pizza. Pork snacks for dogs. From the makers of Barkbox. Okay. So, if we look at the ingredients here, so we got protein, calorie content. Here we go. So, pork, oatmeal, barley, some potato starch potatoes, there's some vegetable glycerin. So overall, it does have quite a few ingredients, but it looks good. Limited quantities, yes, for sure. Let me see. Let's open this up. Okay, that's what it looks like. They're in the shape of little pizzas. Even got like little pepperonis on them. I know, come here. Sit. Right there, perfect. Good boy. Okay, you're making this take longer than it should. Okay, next treat, or next toy, got Hugo's Liberty Ball. And it's just a ball with, looks like the Statue of Liberty's head, the crown on it. Ooh, it's pretty squeaky. It also crunches. It's got some like, these are lumps to them, so texture-wise. I just don't want to give him the squeaky stuff because he'll be squeaking it and you won't be able to hear what's going on. But it's almost done. So, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, you don't even see it now. It doesn't exist now. Okay. And here's the next treat. Coney bologna hot dogs. Beef snacks for dogs, and they're in the shape of hot dogs. Pretty much the same ingredients, only beef instead of pork. And what is this? Destroyers Club? Oh. What is this? Supervised play only? So this is like a... Just like a... Oh, okay. It's just like a newspaper. Like a squeaky newspaper that he can play with. Okay. Yo, here. That's what the name is. The... cellophane paper? No, that's not the name. That's what it's made of. Okay. It's just the bark post. I guess that's what they call it. How to Barkbox. Okay, so you get 2 toys. Okay, so you get 2 mind-blowing toys, blah blah blah. 2 bags of treats, all natural chew, that's the bone. And then I guess the paper is the extra. Yeah, the paper's got to be the extra toy. Which, meh. I mean, well, we'll see how long he plays with it. And how much fun he gets out of it. But I thought it would be more of something that would last longer, because he's a chewer, and he goes through this kind of stuff. Well, here's something for... Okay, so... Oh, he got a hold of one. I can hear him. So if you can read this, I'll see when it comes into focus. Maybe not. But basically it says, yeah, if you want tougher toys, you can each send them an email, which I'll probably will, because, well, I mean, we'll see how long these last, but usually stuffies don't last very long. He gets to the squeaker in the middle pretty quick. But he does seem to be enjoying it. And let's see if there's anything else in here. This is just a It Takes Two to Play. Just a little thing about, you know, how to play with, not how to play with your dog, but just general advice about, you know, make sure you play with your dog and make sure he's happy. Some types of items. Oh, and this is just kind of a description about the kind of things you would find in a Barkbox. And this, it came wrapped in this thing, and it's just kind of a couple little, like, almost like a greeting card kind of jokes. Like, they kind of make it look like it's a map of New York. But then you have all the little, like, here's a picture of a dog pooping. Can't go when you're watching me. So, yeah. And then the other thing I was trying to read earlier. Here, this is what it is. From Dollar Pizza to smelly taxi cabs, this month's Barkbox is a whirlwind New York tour through your dog's eyes and nose. And if you get lost, don't forget to check the map, and that was the map. Or ask your dog. We're pretty good navigators. And then that's it. That's all there is to it. Interesting. So, you get one. No, I'm kidding. Okay. I'm thinking the penguin. Give me the penguin. Where is it? Go get the penguin. You don't know what a penguin is. But you got it anyways. Bring it here. No, don't run away with it. Here, let me take this tag off. Okay. So, okay. And he took off. Okay. What about this one? Okay. Let me just cut the tag off here. See ya. Okay, so that's everything. That's what comes with a Barkbox. Not too bad for 21 bucks. You know, we'll have to see how long those toys last though. And this is because I just signed up last week. That's why I have it now, but for now on they should be coming mailed out on the 15th of every month, and it takes about a week to get them. But as soon as I get them, I'll open them up and see what's inside. So that'll be cool. And yeah, we'll see. I'll also give an update the next month on how long the last month's toys lasted. So I'm going to put a link in the description. If you click on it and buy a Barkbox, Vader gets a free one. So, but this isn't a sponsored stream. But that does give Vader some free toys that, if you listen, oh, he stopped playing. But you could hear the penguin making the noise. And yeah, like it takes about a week for delivery. The delivery's free, so 21 bucks is not too bad for, 3 toys. I think the newspaper thing was a little disappointing, but again, it's mostly about how long the toy lasts and how long the dog plays with it. So we'll see how long that goes. And those treats are good. Like, he likes them, and there's actually, let me just see how many there are. It just goes by kilogram here, but it looks like, there's quite a few. Like, you definitely a month's worth of treats here. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see how long these last, how much he likes them. I'm not going to give him too many because, these are new to him. But they're also, I didn't point this out earlier, but they're wheat-free, corn-free, and soy-free. Both treats. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully he really likes it. I know he'll love this. I'll have to wait until he's ready to... I'll wait until he actually eats his dinner. It actually says on here, do not use on carpets. So, yeah, I'll wait until he goes outside and then I'll give it to him then. What are you looking for? You can have this. Just let me get the tag off. Hold on. Here. It's all yours. You take that. You play with it. You don't want to play with it? You don't know what it is? It's all yours. Eat it. No? Oh, he's going for the Statue of Liberty ball instead. That's it. Now you gotta go play with your toys. Pick one. I want to see this. He doesn't seem to have much interest in this paper. I think it's because he's never really played with a toy that's like flat like this before. But we'll have to see if he actually... You play with this. I want to see how long it lasts. Don't just step on it either. Yeah, I'm not sure he'll like that one, but we'll see. So it's mostly just a waiting game, and like I said, I'll update next month how much he liked playing with the different toys and the different treats. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, or all the above. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye. I know, playing with toys is tough. Where's you out? You're so tired.